Webhooks. Hey there, my name is WaLead.ai, the founder and CEO of WaLead.ai. And in this video, we will see the new webhooks that we have already launched this week on WaLead.ai. So let's go. So if you're a tech guy, a lead gen guy, that you basically have your all workflows among like Clay, N8N, Zapier, this is your video, right? So if you want to do like multi-channel crazy stuff, well, that's your video. Let me show you. So now inside WaLead.ai, the safest LinkedIn automation platform of the world, if we go to API and integrations, we have webhooks. So you will receive real-time notifications events when some stuff occur, right? So my favorite webhooks are when a LinkedIn account gets disconnected of your clients, or when a campaign is runs out of leads, right? So these possibilities are my favorite because then I get real-time notification on Slack or a Gmail message, so I can directly and add more leads or connect that account, right? But you can do like really crazy stuff. For example, last week, a client of mine had like an automation in Clay where he was doing multi-channel outreach with both WaLead.ai and Smartly, right? So one of the things he wanted to do is basically what he wants to do is if a lead is discarded on WaLead.ai, he wants to to send him a message on Smartly, right? Um, I will show you an example. So what he does is he first creates a campaign on WaLead.ai. It's like first LinkedIn and then email. So he first creates a campaign on WaLead.ai and he uses our AI screener. WaLead.ai screener is basically an AI that, based on a criteria and assigned tools, will tell you if a lead is accepted, where it means it will continue with the sequence, or it's rejected. It will go out of the sequence. So normally what we do here is my ICP has posted on LinkedIn, or has liked a post on LinkedIn, or has commented on LinkedIn, something that shows that the lead is actually active on LinkedIn. Because if he's not active on LinkedIn, then it's better to not spend that bullet and reach out on email or something else. So, for example, for this case, my ICP has posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days, and then we have assigned here the tool of the last post scraper. I can also assign a tool of the last like scrape or something. I will click on preview. This is just an example before launching the campaign, and the screener will show me if this random lead is accepted or not. For example, this one is accepted. Perfect. So if the guy is not active on LinkedIn, it will be discarded, and if it is discarded, then it will be sent automatically to Clay, so that we get the email and send him a message on Smartly without spending that bullet here inside of LinkedIn. So there are like crazy stuff that you can be doing, right? So for doing this, if we go to Clay, then we can create new workbook. For example, let's say WaLead, let's call it multi-channel WaLead and Smart Lead. Perfect. Now we will create a table that we will call it webhook here on Clay. Exactly this one. All right, and now we will be listening to a webhook. Okay, so let's just go to webhook. Perfect. Okay, let me delete this. All right, yeah, so for the sake of the video, I will use another event that is tagged as interested, because I can manually do it, so it will be like fast, because in the other case I have to wait until a lead has been discarded from one of my campaigns. Here I can choose like any campaign, or I can just leave it like this and it will get all the campaigns. So then I click on subscribe, and then if I go to a lead here and I tag them as interested, then it will send me here the lead automatically. So I already have here the webhook, and then I can just map the field like first name, last name. In this case, I don't have the email, so I have to run a waterfall to get also the email. But they have like the important stuff: LinkedIn URL, company name, and all this. In case you had the email and the phone number as data points inside WaLead.ai, you will get them here too. So that's also important. And then yeah, and then the next step, I have already sent this. All right. And then the next step will be basically creating a waterfall step to get the email, and then creating a Smartly step to send them for doing cold emailing. So this is for doing it inside Clay, right? In case you want to do it inside Zapier, it's pretty similar. We just click here on create, and then what you will normally do is create choose webhooks, and then the process will be like the exact same things, like just get catch hook, you will just copy this link, paste it, this link, paste it inside WaLead.ai, and that's it. But this week we have been integrated, we have closed a partnership with Zapier, so now we are inside Zapier, so you can do it even easier. You just need to change this. The bad thing is that it's a premium, so you can do it with the free version of Zapier. I mean the webhooks, but WaLead.ai you can use it also in the free version. We have it right now in beta, so you can choose as trigger lead with a discarded status, or campaign has run out of leads, or any other stuff, and then you can do like the same workflow, right? Okay, and if you are an N8N user, but they think that most of the Legion stuff, people use both Clay, N8N, and Claude Cowork and all that. But if you want to use it on N8N, it's pretty the same, to be honest. Like, you just need to search for webhook, and then the only difference is that inside WaLead.ai you will need to create two. What I do normally is create one and then I edit it. So what you can do is first call the test URL. So N8N will allow you to complete the whole sequence. And once you launch it to production, then you will need to go back. You will need to go back to WaLead.ai, choose that exact webhook that you have created, and change here the endpoint URL, and it will be automatically updated. And that's it. So with this, we can connect with Make, Zapier, N8N, Clay, or whatever, and there are like tons of possibilities that you can be doing. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to ask me anything, you have in the description our community, our school community, my LinkedIn page, and if you have any question, just drop a comment below, and I will be happy to help. So see you soon. Bye bye.